Transform your website into a customer capturing powerhouse by creating a killer lead magnet with Wix. First, let's brainstorm what your lead magnet will be. Think about what your ideal customers really want or need. Is it a helpful checklist, an insightful guide, a discount code, or perhaps a free consultation? Log into your Wix account and either start a new site or navigate to an existing one where you want to add your lead magnet. If you're creating a new site, Wix will guide you through a few initial questions to set up your basic structure. Next, we need a dedicated page for your lead magnet. Click on Pages in the left-hand menu. Then add page. You can name this page something like Freebie, Resources, or a specific title related to your lead magnet's content. For example, download your lead magnet topic guide. Now, the core of your lead magnet Signup Form. Go to Add Elements in the left-hand menu. Then select Contact and Forms. Wix offers various beautiful form templates. Choose one that fits your website's aesthetic. A simple contact form or a dedicated Signup form will work best. Click on the form you've added and go to Manage Fields. You'll want to capture at least your visitor's name and email address. You can add or remove fields here as needed. Keep it simple to encourage more signups. This is crucial. Connect your form to an email marketing service. Click on the form, then connect to a mailing list or manage form and select your preferred service. This is how you'll collect and manage your new leads. Follow the prompts to link your accounts. Now add a clear call to action button. Go back to Add Elements and choose Button. Customize the text to something enticing like Get my free guide, download now, or claim your discount. Link your button to what happens after they sign up. If you're offering a downloadable file, upload it to Wix Media and link the button to that file. Alternatively, you can link it to a thank you page where they can access their lead magnet. Finally, make your lead magnet page visually appealing. Add relevant images, clear descriptions of what they'll receive, and make sure it's mobile friendly. Once you're happy, hit that Publish button. With your lead magnet live, you're ready to start attracting subscribers and growing your email list for powerful online marketing. #lead magnet #Wix website.